Okay. Hello, viewers. How are you doing? Giving you a little update of what's going on and where I'm at. I had walked over from the Department of Tourism, Ministry of Tourism, and now I'm here at the MTED in English and Tongan. This is what this office is for, and then that's in Tongan. And I'll let you know what I'm here for. I'm here to apply for my foreign investment um, business. So, this is what I got to do in this office here, and that is apply and pay. It's all part of it. So from this office, this is what they're going to need. I just came from the Department of Tourism, and I got my business plan signed, done by the minister there. You need to start off with this paperwork here. It's called the business plan template. So they have a list here of things you have to complete in the order. Sorry, Wendy. In the order that they want you to handle it in. And you have to write that out. Once that's written out, the minister for tourism signs it, and you could come here to the Department of Economic Development. Once you have that, we go on to this application here, which is the application for foreign investment for those that are coming from abroad and want to start a company from overseas or, yes, overseas and start their business here in Tonga. This is definitely the process. Now, when you come here, they're going to give you the regulations, paperwork, so that way you know the regulations of what field you want to get into. Then you have a checklist. In this checklist, you go over it and make sure you have everything here. So that way you can file properly and get it efficiently done quick. Now, they did ask me for other information, but I don't want to, it's private information. So that being said, I'm not going to show those. I don't know why they asked for my wife's passport photos here or my wife's documents at this office when I was told I only needed it for the consulate and the embassy. But for those who want to come and bring their spouses from Australia, New Zealand, or America, and you married abroad as a Tongan citizen, you have to go through a resident visa process. And if you want to have a business here in Tonga, you have to go even further with the business visa. I'm not taking on any partners here in Tonga. I'll just employ relatives. Um, so I have to pay a little more. If I had a partner, it would have been easier, probably a lot quicker. But that being said, because I didn't take on any business partners here in Tonga, um, I'm paying a higher fee. Um, but that's all right. It keeps it all me responsible for me and my company. Um, Again, it's been 9 days to get to this process. It's from that office to this one just to get the business plan proposal template. Um, and then almost a whole week for them to print it out, process it, get the minister to sign it off and pass it on to me, which I had to do my due diligence of keep coming back, and letting them know I'm not gonna, um, stray away and take too long. The more you sit here and you're in their faces being nice, It's all about still being humble when you get here, because you need their help. You need them to um, process your paperwork without any issues. And you could run into those if you decide to have an attitude towards somebody. Your paperwork might not ever get processed for weeks and weeks, and you're wondering why it's not going there nowhere. And it's because you upset somebody or offended somebody. And that's just the way Tonga is. And um, there's good and bad people everywhere. So it is what it is. Life is life. Just be humble, be nice to everybody. That's why they call it the Friendly Islands of Tonga. I find more smiles and hellos here in this island than I do ever in America. And I could be in a group of 30 people and say hello to them, and maybe 2, 3 people might turn around and engage me in conversation. Over here, when I say hello, I get a hello back and a smile almost 90-something% of the time, which it's hard in America. Everybody's so in the rat race, and they ain't got time to want to hear what anybody else got to say, because they're in their own heads. Again, if I'm teaching you something and you're learning, or you're just following me when I go around, and I haven't even started going around yet. I still got tourist attractions to do, friends to do. I'm going to get some tattoo done on my arm and interview the tattoo artists here in town in Nuku'alofa, and just go through a process of everything I'm doing. And vacation, it's all not just, you know, work. I got to have some work and some work and play. So you got to enjoy the islands. And this is the first time I approached the island in a business fashion, where I'm wanting to do a company here. So appreciate you. If you're learning something, again, subscribe, like, share with others. Ofa Vanisi, again, I want to appreciate you. He's from Australia, one of my viewers who topped off my Digicel so I could continue doing my getting gigabytes and continue producing videos. And that was very encouraging. Felt like I'm actually being supported um, from those abroad that I didn't even get when I was back in the States with people I knew, and was telling them this was my retirement plan venture. Um, again, I went to TQ. I took a ride through TQ because one of the viewers asked me to please go through there so they could get some memories of times that they were here in Tonga with their families. And hopefully they got something out of it. I hopefully filmed enough. I drove from one end to TQ, gave a little, matter of fact, my first experience with TQ was, I stated on the video, a hufifare, where I got to actually meet the Queen of Tonga back in 1996, Dupo Fa's wife. And that house is still there, still very nice, since 1996.